Here at Great Northern, we like to suggest different methods of insulating a house such as this that gives the best overall energy savings effect to the customer over time. With this house, Great Northern Insulation provided what we call the hybrid package. With this package, we would apply 2 inches of 2-pound urethane foam to the exterior walls. That gives us an R value of R12 right there. The Great Northern crews would arrive here first with a foam truck. The foam crew would set up, cover the windows, anything that needed to be covered from any exposure to overspray. The foam crews would then apply the 2 inches of urethane foam to the exterior walls around the entire perimeter of the house. Once the foam guys are complete, the next crew in is the batt guys, and they would install an R12 batt over top of the foam in the walls and the cavities themselves, and then the vapor barrier over top of the batts, giving a total combination in the wall of an R24. Great Northern takes confidence in using this type of system. It basically increases the energy efficiency of the house on an overall basis. Over the lifetime of the house, there will be savings on heating and cooling throughout the year. The foam itself tightens up the exterior walls, stops air leakage, which is a huge factor in retaining energy costs. The installation crews and quality process that goes in installing a system like this provides a homeowner with confidence that it was done right in the first place. At Great Northern, we make sure quality products are used and superior installation techniques to make sure the system works. I would say to a potential customer that if they were to look at some of the projects we've done in the past, talk to a builder that knows us. Experience speaks a lot for itself. Great Northern Insulation has been in the industry for over 35 years. We've got an extensive background in insulating methods and techniques for both new and retrofit applications. Spray foams, blow-in systems, batting, fireproofing. As far as insulating goes, Great Northern has covered all the bases over this time and accumulated a huge amount of experience as years go on. Great Northern's installation crews have been in this industry for many, many years. We have more experience than anyone else in the industry. Some of the guys that we still have working for us have been around since day one. It's just one of the reasons that we have the most experience and pride and workmanship in the entire industry. It's part of what makes Great Northern great.